Hello, dear friends. Today I will show you how to transform the dashboard of a Lexus IS200 car. You will see what the process of changing the lighting from incandescent to LED looks like. We will start by showing you what the dashboard looks like before the work begins, and then we will show you the results after the completion. This is a really cool project, and I'm sure you will be impressed by the results. Let's get started. Let's start by removing the instrument panel. To do this, you need to unscrew 2 screws at the top and 2 at the bottom. Then, gently pry the clips on the sides of the panel and remove it. Now you need to open the top cover, on which the glass is held. It is attached with several clips that need to be released. Next, you need to open the arrows on the instrument panel. They are removed easily by simply twisting them counterclockwise. Then you need to open the central scale, which has other sensors embedded in it. It is attached with clips that need to be released in order to remove it. Now we are unscrewing the bolt that holds the transparent plastic. This will allow us to make holes for placing circuit boards and illuminating the arrows using 3 red light-emitting diodes. But we'll show this a bit later on our video. Next, we are making the same hole in the central plastic. Before this, we remove the scale so it does not interfere. Now, we need to carefully detach the 2 parts that are attached to the circuit boards. After that, we remove this entire white structure. Now, our dashboard is completely disassembled and ready for modification. We start the process of modernizing the dashboard, removing unnecessary elements. We use cutting discs, turn on the machine tool, and start cutting. Going to talk about soldering red LED boards. So we've got 3 LED boards, 3 SMD resistors with 220 ohm, and 9 red LEDs. Let's get started. First, let me show you the schematic on how to solder the LEDs onto the board. Here's the schematic. Let us know in the comments what you think and what you'd like to see on our channel. Now, the LED soldering is done. Let's test it out.
Dangerous times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world and keep the sky on your mind.
I'll be using white LED light strips to light up the gauges. It's like a construction kit that can be used anywhere. The tachometer area is now complete, and the needles and gauge are lit up. The only thing left to do is to take some sandpaper and clean the back of the gauge to remove the light filter. Moving on to the central part of the gauges, it gets a bit more complicated. but we can simply stick the LED strip to the back of the odometer and connect it to the power supply. Connect the needles as well, and everything will light up.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Now let's take a look at the results. It's a masterpiece, my friends. If you need a dashboard like this, I could make and ship it to you anywhere. Overall, I hope you've understood the logic behind it and enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.